together. We go 100 with the top down. Nothing can phase us ever. The sky racing by above our heads. We couldn't see the detour up ahead. Those Hollywood lights, they can leave you blind forever. I couldn't see it. I couldn't see it all the time. I couldn't see it. I was too blind to see the sign. Oh, I wish but I was too blind. What could it be? You and I were never meant to reach the horizon. 'Cause in the blink of an eye, you took my soul by surprise. And I can't help but feel that this was oh so real. And I wish I saw the writing on the wall. But I couldn't with the sky racing by above our head. We couldn't see the detour up ahead. Those Hollywood lights, they can leave you blind forever. I couldn't see it. I couldn't see it all the time. I couldn't see it. I was too blind to see the sign. Oh, I wish but I was too blind. So many dreams we wanna chase. So little time, don't wanna wait. Will you follow me to another galaxy?
Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. Let me know in the chat. Give me some nines. Give me some nines today in the chat if you guys can hear me all right. Excellent. What's up, George, Carl, Jazzy J, Amy, Jim B? Appreciate the nines. Thank you. Good morning, everybody watching on YouTube as well. Happy Monday. What's up, Lars? People in the waiting room here. All right. We have 2 minutes. 2 minutes for the market opens. Quick peek of the news. We actually don't have much going on this morning. We have some news at 9:45, yellow folder. Out of the rest of the week, we have red. This is the last day of the month. It's March 31st. And we're currently in a stalemate. 3 minute and the 1 minute are in a stalemate. 5-minute is in alignment for sales. What's up, Blue? What's up, Nita? So we'll see what happens when we open up here. Hey, Steph. See what happens when we open up. If we end up flipping the 3 and the 1 back. Looks like the 3 just needs the volume and the 1 needs the trend. It's close. So this area I have marked, or not marked, but circled, has been a common area of support currently coming into the open. We dipped through it a little bit, creating a lower low, and then came back up to 225. So it seems like it was supporting, consolidated between 225 and around this 175 area. So we'll see if we flip back. If we do, we'll look to get in on the sales. Like I said, we'll need the volume on the 3. The 1 minute probably gonna flip here soon. The 5 minute is already in alignment. I don't really have any targets. The chart gets a little funky based on where we currently are, because these are our old charts, our old contracts, and it's, you know, very spacey. If I was to and if I go to MNQ1, it looks completely different. Let's see if you guys can see, like we're already on MNQ1, we're already past the structure to the left, but on our actual contract, wait, hold on, actually, 1 second. Yeah. Like, you see how the chart kind of looks different here? Like, we're clearly below the structure to the left, and over here it's not really the same. So anyway, I basically don't have anything to go off of. I'm kind of guessing that this potentially could be a daily low here, which is about 66 points away from where the market currently is. I think we just opened up. Yeah, we just opened up. So market's open now. So I really don't have a target. I don't have anything down here. It's kind of, I don't know. What's up, Christine? So anyway, market open. The 1 minute did not flip. Still in the stalemate, it looks like. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna watch it from the 1. What's up, Cindy? That first minute was had a nice bearish wick on it. We're not far at all. 3 minute could flip here in this candle potentially. The 1 minute's coming back. 3 minute we need the volume and then we're good. So we just tapped into this imbalance maybe? No, not quite. Almost. Looks like that area I was talking about around that 175 got closed through on the 15 and it's being used as a resistance now on the 15. Yeah, we're about to get back in alignment here. And touch that 100 area, which I'm guessing as a daily target. We got 30 seconds here. We might close below 100. We might be looking at 100 for a sale. Yeah, 10 seconds. We're still below 100. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a sell off of 100 when we pull back up here. All right, we got 2 minutes left in this candle. Looking for a pullback here to 19,100. Pretty big opening range so far. And this is the next, I guess, daily target is right here at 25. It's about to get hit as well. We do have a yellow floater at 945, but that's it. There's that 25 area getting hit as well. We are just tanking, finishing this month with a drop for the open. Yeah, man, I'll put these down here. The last one, I'll use that. And this one here. Next up would be around the 18492 area, which is another 600 or so points. Got 30 seconds left here, and we're below 50. I'm okay with it closing above 50 because I kind of want to pull back off of this, but yeah, it looks like we're gonna, we got 10 seconds. All right, we closed above 50, so still waiting on a pullback to 100. Pretty big open. We're 6 minutes in, so we've had 2 3-minute candles. The first 5 minutes is finished as well. Pretty large opening bell candle here. Actually, it's 150 points to the downside on the opening bell candle. We're getting some pullback here now towards 100. Gonna take my first shot here at 19,100 once it gets there. Playing around the 90s. $93. Oh, yeah, playing around the 90s. $100 is the 50% retracement. Nice. It's playing around the 90s. It tapped into, I'm on a 1 minute chart right now, tapped into the imbalance at 90. We have a minute left in this candle. We're back down towards 60 area. The pullback is slowing down though, so that's a good sign. We can get up to 100. I'll take 50 as well if we do close below 50. $30 seconds to go. We're at 57 area. $10 seconds. Doesn't look like we're going to get below 50, but That keeps 100 open as an option. Well, 3. Yeah. Moving back up. So we're back in the 70s, 80s. Waiting on 100 still for a sale. Kind of getting support here at 50. We're back around the 80s. Minute 40 left in this candle. Back around 50. Minute 20 left. We're below 50. Might be a bearish engulfing candle here on the 3-minute as well, depending on how we close. A minute and 20 seconds left. One-minute candle just closed below 50. Got a minute left in this candle here. 50s might be the number. Probably retrace if this if hundreds of 50%, then it at least retraced the. It got close to 100. That's for sure. If you, or would you do it off the? Yeah, you did it off of the opening bell candle. 25 seconds, sir. It looks like we're definitely going to close below 50. One minute just touched it. All right, I'm looking for a pullback to 50. We're at 30. We're at 40, 35 area right now. Pull back to 50, and I'll take a sale. Got news in 3 minutes. Yellow folder news in 3 minutes. That was a bearish engulfing candle as well. Yeah, 382 held. Oh, come on. Touched on the 1, didn't touch on the 3. Here she comes. We're back up 43. I am in. I got 49. Wanted to be on the other side of 50. All right, bearish engulfing candle here on a 3. Again, rejecting off of this daily target here, or even the 25 area. I want to see this thing continuing down, not obviously giving us a violation here on this bearish engulfing, but I'm in at the 50 area. I'm in at the 50 area. I got news in 2 minutes, yellow folder. We're at the 40s, 39. The bearish engulfing candle here on the 1 minute. Getting pretty close to break even there. There it is. Going BE on this. I'm TPing at 50 points, by the way. Come on, get through that 19,000 area. This news push it through. There it is. That's 50 points right there from 50. Boom. There we go. There we go. Nice, easy setup there. Nice, easy setup to start the week. Just looking at something real quick. From a fib target perspective, if this is going to get down to the 382, might have another shot here at 19,000 for another 50 points if you're wanting it, or wanting to put up 25 of what you just grabbed. Because it just closed below 19,000. Oh, wait. Has not yet. Sorry, I was on the 1 minute. It's not closed below 19,000. Has not closed below 19,000. But that was the last day of the month so far. If you want more, there's more out here potentially. We are live the rest of the week. You would be skipping 19,050 if this comes back up, and seeing if you're looking for a pullback, which is even better, a pullback to 19,100 if you wanted another shot here. We did not close below 19,000 on the 3 minute. Still got 45 seconds left in this candle. But whole number 19,000 right now, holding as a little bit of support. Just looking at it from a target fib perspective, is there's more out there if it wanted to reach down here to 382. Everybody get 50 on that? TP hit, Ken hit TP, Larser TP on YouTube. Jazzy J got 50. Nita got 50, Juliet got 50, Paul, Jimmy B, Cindy. Is anybody still in or looking for more? Or done? Steph still in? Are you holding to the 382 extension? Cindy said more. But hit the trigger too fast for the 19,000 SL. Oh, for the 19,000. Oh, okay. Well, you didn't really hit it too fast. Aren't you trading still off the 1 minute? It closed on the 1 minute. If that's your time frame.
I'm closing though if this candle doesn't close below 19,000. Yeah, we're using it as support right now. We're about to hit the bottom of the hour. I would be open to 19,100 if I'm being picky. Oh, you switched to the 3. Okay, cool. Yeah, I don't have any targets down here. I'm only looking at it from the fib. We hit the 2 that I was, you know, guessing at potentially being targets just based off here. The chart gets funky when we're going back so far since we're in a current contract, so I'm just guessing at these lows. I mean, and then if we get past 18,193, it's gonna get even worse. I mean, this looks like it could be, so does this and this, but there's a lot of unknown in there. It's not that big of a deal, but just doesn't help when you're trying to see where the market wants to go. Any questions? Any questions for me? What up, Ree? We're bouncing back up. We're back at 50 again. 50 is not valid right now. You have to move up to the 100 area, which is fine. It's a deeper pullback on the initial move. Anybody, you guys looking for this 100 or are you sitting out? Put 100 in the chat if you want it, and put out in the chat if you're done. Okay. Sounds like a plan. Well, we're almost there. Doji on the 15th. I mean on the 5th of September. How are you seeing that? How are you seeing that, Ken? Mine's all like spaced out. Am I in the right area? I'm on. Oh, my bad. I thought I was on a daily. I still don't see the 5th. I see the 6th. Oh. All right, MQ1. We're gonna get there. I don't see why you bring that one into play. If it does my chart look like yours, where there's doji and then it has a bearish candle and then a bullish candle? Is that where you're looking at? We're at 75 right now, so no problem, Lars. I just wouldn't take this into consideration because it's not like the bottom of the move. If anything, I would look at this as an open high, open low, because this one didn't sweep it, so it has liquidity still sitting behind it. Yeah, let's see, it's at 84. Jumped up to 90, 95. Yeah, we're getting close to 100. Anyway. It touched it. There we go. I'm in. We are at the bottom of the hour. I got 102. They're trying to get entries just above the number. Looks like it wants to go up to the 618 though. We'll see. It is right at the middle of this imbalance on the 1 minute. It's an imbalance on the 3 minute as well. Structurally, the break and retest is a little higher up near this 150 area. But we don't want to go there, right? We want to just go ahead and turn around, start heading back down now. Get on back down. Last 3 minutes of the top of the hour. All right, got taken on that one. I'm open for 50. Still whipped me out, even with me trying to get above it. Is it still valid? It's still valid on a it's right at the top. I mean, the trend line is right there at 150. I still like 150. It's obviously deeper into the retracement. The J4 is right there on the 3 minute. J4 will be right there on the 5 minute as well. I don't mind putting this back out there for 150. The wick out continues. It also didn't close above it either. 100 is not valid for me right now. I needed to close above 100. This thing's about to go to break even. Oh, he's still in. Nice. Well, there's BE. There's break even for it. Yeah, we got the top of the hour coming in 9 seconds. Yeah, that's a good wick. I mean, that's a great wick. Look at that. I mean, that hit the 25, hit the 618, hit the 50% of that imbalance. That wick looks, yeah, the wick looks pretty good. That wick looks pretty good. Let's see if it reaches all the way up to 150. Or if it closes above 100, then I'll replay it. We're at the top of the hour now. Uh, 122.
We've got a fire inside our soul that don't go out.
35, 38. Back at this. Actually, this isn't the one. I moved it. Delete this. We're at the bottom of the structure we broke. There's the J4, 42, 45. $30 left. This is about to be a bullish engulfing candle. Hopefully a little bit more of a push to the upside. Then we'll start to violate it. Just a push up to get us in at 150, 151 area. And then a push down. We're at 40s. Just tap the middle of this last down candle before that push up, pre-market push up. Oof. Actually closed below this wick here. Let's see if it reaches up for us. Might start turning around now. Yep. Might start turning around for us now. Turning around without us. Let's see if we close back below 100. This should start to turn. The way that this candle went up here, rejected off the middle of this last down, the J4, and then it closed all the way back below this wick. It's showing that wick as resistance, a strong resistance, because that was a big sell candle off of it. So if this market is smooth, it should just turn and drop and violate this bullish engulfing candle. Started at least the violation process by closing bearish. Got a minute 10 left in this candle. And if it closes above this area, then we should be able to get in at 150. We'll be fighting buyers to come back down, but we got the structure on our side currently.
In my heart, I'm 22, but I know that's not the truth. So I'll just dream beneath the stars. Remember what we used to do, hand in hand, just me and you.
I got 7 seconds. We might close below 100 now. Nope. This next candle should be bearish as well, if this is gonna hold what it's doing. I still got 150 set, but it really should not get above 125. I'm not taking it from there. And any of you loosey-goosey rebels, feel free, but it shouldn't from a structural standpoint. The proof would be it being another bearish candle closing below 100, and then we should definitely fall. And then we'll have to deal with this on the buy side, which is our 50 points anyway. So either way, it works out. It works out favorably if it does close below here and get a retest. We'll be just fine. Looks like Lars got in there at the J4 at 143. You might be break even on that. I don't know when you sent that. I'm just seeing that message. It's playing on the buy side right now. It's struggling. 1 minute has definitely shifted. Had this curve down and then this push up, got above here, and now we're climbing. Might see 150. If we can see 150, get in, and we'll need to get below these lows, which will be our TP. We're at 47. $48. I'm in. All right, sellers need to start stepping in here now. Top of the imbalance, 786 retracement on the open candle. We might end up getting into a stalemate here. I'll still hold on to this on 1 minute for a second. If it allows us to stay in it, it is being bullish right now. All right, we need a bearish candle here. We are in a stalemate on the 1. We closed above the trend level. We still have the volume at the moment. This doesn't work out. That's my 2 in a row. And I'll be break even for the day. We're fighting right now. We're 1 minute trying to put us back down in profit here. Got to close back below 50. Don't use it as support. Still holding. I'm personally not going to close it. It is what it is. I'm not going to close it early or anything like that. I'm going to let it fight. Worst case scenario, I'm 0 points out for the day, so it's not a big deal. You got 155. Nice. I got 151, so my stop loss is at 176. But we're trying. We're putting some wicks on the top here, so we're in profit. If you don't like it and you want to close it, this is where you should do it at, because you'll be up 30-ish points. I plan on holding it. We're at 44 right now. I'll go break even at 25 per usual and see what happens from there. You can also take the 25 points and then you'll be up 50 again. Just giving you guys scenarios for trade management here. We're in I'm again watching it on 1 minute here. 1 minute here. We're in an imbalance on the 1 we need to get through. Not a good candle so far. Not a good candle so far. New 3 minute just opened up though. Still got 2 minutes left in it. This is good if we can come take out this low that we just put in. If this goes higher high, then we're getting stopped out. But if we can go lower low here, we're shifting structure down. There we go. That's a lower low right there. Keep finishing strong with that candle. Let's go break even again on this. Almost there. That's good enough for me. That's good enough for me. I almost hit the 25 mark. For me personally, it's 25 just because of where I got in. So I'm sliding to break even here. Again, if you want to take your 25 points, it's coming up. You're at 130 right now. There it is. There's 25 there. A nice bearish engulfing candle here on the 1. See if we can just go ahead and flat out continue through here. Come down here, take out this low, which will give us 50 on this trade. We are fighting against the 1 minute as it did flip. But other than that, you should be risk free on this opportunity. So worst case scenario, you'll be 20 plus 25 points today. Looks like I'm about to get taken out at break even. Oof. Yep, I just got taken out at BE. All right. What time is it? 10:14. We're in a stalemate on the one, so that's the only reason why we're gonna just go ahead and wrap it up for the day. We're in a stalemate on the one. I don't really believe that this is going to flip, but it could. And either way, the 1 minute would need to do quite a bit in order for us to get back into it. So take the 25 points into tomorrow. We're ahead of the week. I'm calling it good there. If you closed out here, then you're up 50 again. Let me know what your points are in the chat. Let me know what your points are in the chat. 51, good stuff. 25, 50, 50. $50, 0, BE, BE, 50, BE. Okay, yeah, no negatives. Everybody's either, I'm seeing the lowest 0 and the highest 51. Structurally, we're shifting here, so I was hoping the low that we broke here, this minor low here, will be the case with this bearish engulfing and just keep us pushing, but it didn't want to. 45 points for Cindy, good stuff. All right, 35 points for Lars on YouTube. 1 TP, 1 SL, and a 2.5 point BE. Nice. All right, we're done for the day, done for the month of March as well. We're back in April. Let's hope we don't get April fooled by the market tomorrow. April Fool's Day tomorrow. We got the jolt job opening tomorrow. We're going to be live all week. We're live all week. We got morning news every day this week, so we'll be live all week. Won't be doing any market reviews this week, so I'll leave it to you guys to do it on your own. Oh, there's the drop, you sucker. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. All right, family. Good stuff today. If you guys need anything from me, you know where to find me. Hit me up on Telegram. Thanks for watching on YouTube. Leave some likes on the way out. Subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great Monday. Peace out for now.
You are my weakness. I tried to let you go. I blocked your number. It's hard to tell you no.